spiced apple wine. So we added a little sugar. It may be perfect. So we're going to do a little test and if necessary, add a little bit more of the non-fermentable sugar. If it's perfect, then we'll just put it to one side and it's ready for bottling. Okay, lots of lovely warmth and spices, absolutely zero sweetness whatsoever. Now, I incorrectly stated how much sugar I added last time, so I actually measured in 150 grams, so I think I'm going to do exactly the same number again. So I'm just going to let that dissolve. It's sort of gone to the bottom, so I'm going to have to give it an occasional swish. I'm right up to the level here. It's always worthwhile before bottling to just, if you can, give it a test. And that's what we're going to do today. There is good reason for calling this a wine thief, because that is exactly what we're going to do with it. Having sweetened it a little bit, giving it a chance to dissolve, we are closing in on bottling time, so we just want to sort of give it a taste. Here's our sneaky little test. The aroma now has definitely started to mellow a little. It's very pleasant indeed. Okay, it's still a little dry. But I think it's probably at the right level now. It's certainly not, certainly not in any way astringent. It's certainly not sort of in any way sort of giving any of that sort of harshness. It's very warming actually. For other people who've done apple wines, wines do tend to take sort of a few months to sort of mellow out. Feels like this one's starting to now. Starting to get more of the spices. So I think, the temptation is to pour another, isn't it? But I think we are probably good for bottling. So good to go. New 1 litre bottles, looking good. Spiced apple wine, also looking good. This time I saved you the misery of the hours it takes to fit the bottling wand to the end of the siphon. Bottling day done. That was quick. And terrible news, I ended up with far more in the glass than in the bottles. Very nice. It's still got a little bit of a harsh edge, but it's coming on very nicely indeed. It's definitely got a lot of liqueur type warming feel to it. Starting to really sort of feel that I'm surprised. I'm starting to feel the apple sort of coming through more now. So it is just a matter of time. I am actually going to put them away for a little while after I've enjoyed this one. But very, very clear. Look at that. So very happy indeed in the end, despite a very circuitous route to get here. With how it's all ended up. So very good news on the spiced apple wine, and thank you to Steading for the original recipe.